Using Parts Toolbox with GP Pro EX. No need to spend time drawing when you should be developing a program. The GP Pro EX Parts Toolbox contains hundreds of colorful, high-resolution, realistic buttons, switches, icons, and other industry-specific graphics. Get started by opening the Parts Toolbox and then selecting your part by shape, functionality, and color. Then, simply drag the part onto your project screen, adjust the size and position, and assign the part a symbol or address with simple drag and drop mapping.